Alright guys, we're back again for another test drive video. Today we are going to drive the 2019 Lamborghini Urus. This car has the 21-inch wheels. It's finished in the Bianco paint. Inside it comes with this beautiful black and red Sportivo interior. So we're gonna hop in and take it for a spin. So this car is pre-owned. It's a 2019. It's got roughly about 16,000 miles. It's available here at Lamborghini Paramus. It's fully loaded. Right now we're gonna take it for a spin. It's Saturday afternoon, about 12 noon. Figure right now is a good time. The roads don't have too much traffic. The sun is out. It's dry. The tires are warm. So we could get a decent drive, feel the different driving modes. Just take it for a quick spin and bring it right back. Throw my seatbelt on. And let's see what this thing's got. First we'll pull the paddle here. That'll throw it in drive. I already took the handbrake off. I personally don't typically drive in any of the driving modes other than Corsa, but we'll start in Strada for now. That way you guys can experience what it's like in the different modes. Fix the mirrors. Let's see if these guys will let me in. People typically never want to let exotic cars in. They always want to cut you off. So right now we're driving in Strada. It's pushing us to 6th and 7th gear. It's super smooth, it's quiet. There's not that much sound out of the exhaust. The car itself is fairly quiet. We're going through an overpass right now. Doesn't make that much noise, which if you're using this for an everyday car, that might be something that you want. All right, I'm switching this thing to sport. I want to feel how it changes. Well, already I can feel it's a little bit stiffer. You can hear the RPMs are holding a lot higher through each gear before it drops down. Right now I got it in manual. I'm just gonna keep it in automatic for now. Yeah, we're only doing 30 miles an hour and already it's a lot louder than Strada. Feels a lot more responsive, even on a small cornering maneuver or moving in and out of lanes. You can see on the dash it changes to orange. It says sport. You can see that your traction is limited. It feels good though. If you're driving on the highway, it's definitely a lot of fun. It feels a lot more sporty. It definitely holds the revs higher in each gear. You can see the revs are staying pretty much where I'm at. Even if I take my foot off the gas, it's dropping very slowly. Hopefully once we get past this traffic, I can open it up a little bit. That'd be nice. And let me know what you guys think too. I'm trying to get more point of view videos, trying to get better at this. A few more reviews, a little bit more information about the cars, not just driving behind the wheel, which to me is most of the fun in itself. But let me know what you guys want to see. Comment below. Tell me what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, what you want to see. I appreciate the feedback. Follow me on Instagram at LoveJones, LUVJONESSS. Alright, I need to put this thing in Corsa. Oh yeah. See, that's what I like. Way more aggressive. You can hear the exhaust, the throttle blips. When you downshift, you hear the exhaust blips and the burbles. That's the best part. Strada's just too quiet for me. You can see the whole dash changes when you're in Corsa. One of the big differences between the Urus and the Huracan and Aventador is that when you're in Corsa, you can actually still drive in automatic. With the Aventador and the Huracan, if you're in Corsa, you have to shift. It's not an option. So here, we can stay in Corsa and still cruise around town in automatic, which is pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can hear those exhaust noises coming from behind us. It sounds great. Even the shifting is more aggressive. You feel it more when you shift now when you're in Corsa versus Sport and Strada. It's got a very aggressive shift. You know, maneuvering is nice and tight. The exhaust is wide open, so you definitely hear it. Now I'm just wishing I can get out from behind this traffic. It's amazing how smooth this car is, and the inside cabin is extremely quiet. And it did a great job also with the fit and finish. Looking around, it still feels like you're in a Lambo. It's not just an SUV that they slapped a Lambo badge onto. The car feels great. This does everything that the other cars do and more. I think we're almost approaching back to our home destination, aka Lambo Paramus. If you guys have any questions regarding any of the cars we have in inventory, or if there's a specific car you want to see a video on, please let me know. I'm open. You guys give me a heads up and I'll do it. This guy doesn't want to let me in. Typical. Home sweet home.